Hi, my name is Ian Hoyt.
And I'm Jacob Schoonover.
And this Thanksgiving, we set out to see how thankful people were.
We tried a few different experiments to gauge the thankfulness of people, and some of them failed absolutely miserably. If you want to watch that video, it's below.
But one experiment was very successful. We put a lot of smiles on people's faces, and it looked like people were genuinely happy. And that was honk if you're thankful. So check out the video now, and we hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving.
See ya.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question real quick? What are you thankful for this season?
This is like a trick question.
No, it's just I'm asking.
I'm thankful for my family this season.
Okay.
We just moved to Finley and we live
Oh, really?
here, so, yep.
That's awesome. We're making a video. Is it all right if you're in our video?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks. What are you guys thankful for this season?
Family.
Family? Anything else? Job? All right, cool. Is it all right if you're in our video? We're making a video asking people what they're thankful for the Thanksgiving season. I'm cold. This is great. What are you guys thankful for?
Jesus, my mom, dad.
That's great. That's great.
What's going on, man?
Not much. We're just making a video for YouTube, so asking people what they're thankful for.
There you go.
My job.
That's always great.
You always post that on Facebook, so.
Yeah, I'll post it on Facebook. It should be up Thanksgiving, so. Oh, I am freezing, but you know it's all right. That's all right. Can I ask you a question, actually?
Yeah.
What are you thankful for this season?
I'm very thankful that I have a home, I have food, and I have a job.
That's great. That's great.
Because I just got a job after being like jobless for a year.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, that's awesome.
and I was homeless before,
Oh, really?
so
That's where do you work?
Cracker Barrel.
Oh, that's cool. Awesome.
Yeah, 'cause 1 year when I was pregnant with my second daughter, for Thanksgiving we had cold pasta anytime,
Oh, really?
and then for Christmas we had saltine crackers.
Do you need anything right now? We have pumpkin pies we're giving away if you want a pumpkin pie.
Where at?
In my car, like we're making a video, just seeing what people are thankful for, and you know, seeing if people honk. It's just sharing season, and you know, we're trying to give stuff back. And
Yeah.
would you like pumpkin pie?
Sure.
All right, cool. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, definitely share that with your family, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving.
Thank
Yeah,
you, you too.
yeah, no problem. Have a good one.